Here we have Amateur Andy. Amateur Andy has blown 5 of his accounts because he has always put gigantic lot sizes on all of his trades. Andy didn't understand the importance of using the correct position size. So, Andy decided he was going to take things seriously this time, and he joined us at Blue Edge Financial. Now, Andy fully understands how to calculate the correct position size, and you will too after this module. The good news is we always want to make it easy for you at Blue Edge Financial. So what we've done for you is supplied you with a calculator to do all the calculations for you. To access this calculator, you just have to go into Edge Trading Academy and go to the Resources tab. Click on the Resources tab and then click on what says Calculators. Here you'll find the lot size calculator. Now, you might find other calculators as well by the time you're looking at this, but you're going to want to find what's called the lot size calculator. And I'm going to go through a quick example to show you how this works. Let's say you wanted to trade the Euro USD pair. Then first you would find the pair here, Euro USD. And then let's say you have $750 in your account. You would put your account balance here. Then you would put your risk per trade. And let's say you wanted to risk 2%. And let's say you determined that you wanted your stop loss to be 40 pips away from your entry point. Boom, there you have it. That tells you the number of lots that you should trade, which in this case is 0.04 lots on this trade, so that you're only risking $15 of your account, which would be 2% of the $750 with the Euro USD pair. So this calculator tells you exactly how big your lot size should be based on the amount that you want to risk on that trade. Now make sure that you select the correct pair because this is going to make a difference. If I choose Euro NZD, then you can see here it's 0.06 instead of 0.04. So each pair is going to be a little different. So you're going to want to make sure that you select the correct pair. So that's about it for the lot size calculator. And I hope you can use this in your manual trading. It'll help you so much in managing your risk and choosing the correct position size. So good luck.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.